Uvele ekhotho umuntu ongenele umuntu asebenza naye ngomukhwa wathi bona mbulali wabe wathatha ne-selfie hlanu kwesidumbu sakhe.
On both accounts I find that it is, and consequently the state is allowed to lead that evidence.
Sombuso sokuthi kusetshenziswe ubufakazi behlelo lokweluswa kwemikhambo yenkolo njengobufakazi.
We have to be confident because of the performances we did even in the last 2 years.
Umbanduli weBafana uHugo Bruce utshijile iBafana ukuthi ilungele ukungena ku-FIFA World Cup ngemva kwesikhathi eside khulu yagcina ukudlala imidlalo yephasi lonke. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesiNdebele lochani. Ibandla elengamele ingongoyilo ezimalungana nokusebenza kwamajaji neliphenya insolo zokungaziphathi kuhle kwejaji uAnna Makhubele lithulisiwe kudu. Kanti kwakhathesi lithuliselwe ngonobangela wembadelo yendleko zegcwetha lombuso elinikele ukujamela uMakhubele. uMakhubele umangalelwe ihlangano yamagcwetha emsola ngokweqa imithetho ebekufanele ayisebenzise njengejaji nokuba ngusihlalo wekhampani yombuso.
Ingongoyilo zokuthi solo liyathwilisa icaleli zethule ebandleni lamajaji bekufanele kube liyaraga namhlanje kulalwe lihlangothi likaMakhubele umraro bangwele Maria Dlana wokujameleka kwakhe kezomthetho.
The essence of it is that the state attorney is in agreement to pay the invoices which were, or rather the legal bill that Judge Makhubele has incurred, except that there needs to be an agreement around the tariffs.
Ijaji selathatha umhlalaphansi uAhmad Jabi uthi kusele imbuzo ethi ingakhani usazokujanyela nakayokuvela ekhotho kodwa.
On the last occasion when we met and we took the adjournment, I did make it quite clear that this week we would proceed whether representation is available for Judge Makhubele or not. But I've read the letter that originate from her.
Inhlangano zamajaji athuka Iindaba avumelene ngokudlulisela icaleli ngomhla wama-22 kuTjhirhweni wangomnyaka ozako. Negcwetha likaMakhubele belaqinisekisa ibandla ukuthi ngambala uzoba kulungele ukuragela phambili nendaba le.
Uvele ekhotho namhlanje umuntu omduna ngecala lokuthi batsho ubulele umuntu asebenza naye esibanye Still Water Mine ngokumgwaza ngokumbuyelela emini kubukele wonke umuntu. Ubuyinihelo lifafa weminyaka ema-43 ubudala uvele ekhotho kaMagistrata weWestern Area lapho waqalene khona necala lokubulala. Icala lithuliselwe kulayelwa ngeveke ezako bona umsolo athole igcwetha namkha afake isibawo sebheyili.
Thusabanengi ivile igegiswe enkundleni zokuthindana iveza umsolo ahlaba umufi ngomukhwa ambuyelela. Bachuthena kaqeda ukwenza njalo wazifota isithombe ngelimi namhlanje eyaye bathi uzithethe iselfie hlanu kwesidumbu. Umsolo banjwe amapholisa eduze nendawo lapho kuhlala khona umufi ehostela eLiseding lapho kwenzeke khona isehlakalo esimo. Umsolo akhange akhabotshelwa amacala phambilini namkha amacala saragako begodwa utshele ikhotho bona ubhadala imali yesondlo somntwana.
The court is one to inform you you are charged with a Schedule 6 offence and a formal violation must be held.
Ntate molato ona wa hao he o wela sekgetha go tselela jwanong he o tshwanetse he hona le nna o tlo kenya ke kopo ya hao ya beki ka fela go tsaka mo o standard.
Icala lithuliselwe ukulalela ngeveke ezawo.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngale ndaba esikhuluma ngayo nakumbona kuyalandela mbukeli.
Uyabona lesenzo salomuntu sikhombise ngokusobala ukuthi umuntu abuseke ebantwini ngempela ihluke singaka uzobulala umuntu uqeda umthatha ivideo kubuhlungu ngempela ayikho into ebuhlungu njengale ngiyibone kuleya video mina.
Umhlaba ufikelele esiphelweni ngoku. makabanjwe le ndoda ivalelwe ulife entolongweni.
Abantu fanele bafunde ukucontrola inhliziyo zabo mkhathi vele emiberegweni eminingi zinengi intshijilo esihlangana nazo umuntu banokukwatisa ngendlela eziningi mara umuntu oberegako emberegweni zama ukubekezela mkhathi
abotshwe avalelwe kuthatha isikhiya sokulahlelwa ngelwandle. Ngiyafisa ukuthi-ke anganikwa ibheyili futhi athole ukudilika nje.
Bekufanele uba nisixelela uba isigwebo sithini lo muntu ufanele uba ugwetshiwe afanele uba axoxe nokuxoxa.
Isehlakalwesa sikhombisile ukuthi umuntu lo ufe inhliziyo. Ikhotho noma ingamkereya umlando bamphosele etrongweni uyakhomba ukuthi yena akanandaba.
Hayi le ndoda ikhombise ukuba nonya olisimanga kodwa kizobathola abafana nayo ngaphakathi ejele.
Umbono ngewumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ungqongqotjhe wezangikhaya uDokotela uAaron Motsoaledi uphakamise bona amakhosi asebenzisane nomnyango wakhe endabeni yokungena kwamaphandle ngokungemthetho enarheni le. Umotsoaledi uthi amakhosi nawo kufuze azi bona bobani abantu abakhe endaweni zawo.
Siyahlogeka isandla samakhosi ekulawulweni ukungena nokuphuma kwamaphandle angasisemthethweni endaweni zawo. Hlangana nalokho balwa nentolo amaphandle afika azivule endaweni zamakhosi. Ungqongqotjhe bewaphakamisa nokuthi akhe kwenziwe ihlolisiso lentodlwana zonke eSouth Africa.
One of the agreements is that all the mayors must take an audit of all the spaza shops in the country. All, anything that is called a spaza shop. I heard some people maliciously say, no, we want to audit only spaza shop of people from other countries without any spaza shop.
Umengameli wehlangano yamakhosi Contralesa uthi bese luthomile umsebenzi ehlangothini lamakhosi ukwazi bona ngubani ongenako naloyo phuma-ke endaweni zamakhosi.
We made a call to all my headmen here and my traditional councillors to say I want a report of all our foreign nationals who are residing at Matibela area so that they be registered to know exactly whether they are the documentation or not.
Sesenjalo izakhamuzi zemaride ziphume ngobuningi zizokufaka imbawo zembhugwana zizokufuna nelinye isizo lomnyango lo.
I was here to apply for an ID. The service was very wonderful and incredible.
Tlotsa ID ke tshela ka la matho. Ke ke fila gabuji o tla tlotsa ID ka bantu ba tshwara batho gabuji.
Lindeleke bona abomakhamba ngendlwana bomnyango wezangikhaya bavakatshela imiphakathi ehlukahlukeneko endaweni le.
Siyanda isibalo sabantu ababulawa eGaza ngomguruguru esele urhatshekile nakamanye amazwe abomakhelwana njengelebanon. Kanti amanye amazwe asejimeni lokumatsha azwelana nabahlali beGaza begodwa baphikisana nezehlakalo zokubulawa kwabomma nabantwana.
Iflaga lePalestina liphaphiselwa phezulu emazweni amaningi aphatheke kumbi ngale banga amathuko yeGaza.
I think it's really important that this many people have come out today to show that we're not standing down and a ceasefire needs to happen.
Stop fighting, stop bloodshed, stop apartheid. So it's completely ironic that it was being called a hate march.
We're here trying to liberate everyone. Jewish freedom and Palestinian freedom are interrelated.
Phakathi kwamazwe layo kubalwa neSouth Africa lapha kubonakala khona abantu ababuthene eKapa ijimeni lokuchochozela ukuthi iphele ipi ephakathi kweIsrael nabathlohipi eHamas. Imindeni yabongazimbi ababhubhele eIsrael ithwenyekile. Kanti eminye ikhabhudlwa nayo indlela undunankulu weIsrael ayithatha ngakhona le ndaba. Undunankulu weIsrael uthi ababuyele emva.
We won't stop until the mission is completed. The war against Hamas ISIS is progressing in full swing and has one goal, which is to win.
Ihlangano yentshabe ezibumbeneko engaphasi kwegandeleleko lokuthola isisombululo njengombana iyahluka imibono yomkhandlu wentshabe ezibumbeneko.
Ijaji ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa livumelene nesibawo sombuso sokuthi kusetshenziswe ubufakazi obutshengisa ihlelo lokwelusa la kuhamba khona inkoloyi njengobufakazi. Lokhu kuhlobana nemkhambo kafakazi uSergeant Vusi Mogane owayekhambisa umsolwa wesibili uBongani Ntanzi ngamalanga uNtanzi athi batsho wabethwa ngawo wahlunguphazwa endaweni ezihlukahlukeneko bewakatelelwa ukuthi avume into angayaziko.
Umbuso uphikise ngokuthi ubufakazobu abusibutsha begodu buphendula ihlangothi likafakazi elitbatsho uSergeant Vusi Mugane wabetha bowahlunguphaza umsolwa endaweni ezimbalwa ezihlukahlukeneko ngelanga elithiwoko begodu akunamonakalo ozokwenzeka kumsolwa ngombana amagcwetha akhe azokuthola ithuba lokuhlola uMugane embikweni we-AVL. U-Advocate Thulane Mngomezulu ojamele untanzi nomsolwa wokuthoma uVusi Sibiya uphikisa wathi batsho isikhathi sokuthola kobufakazobu bengasingesilungileko wathi batsho uSergeant Mugane akhangabe umuntu ongathathi ihlangothi nakanikela ngesizo lobufakazi bomgadangiso we-AVL. Nanyana kunjalo ijaji uRatha Mokhwatleng uthethe isiqundo sokuthi ubufakazobu ngebulungileko begodu ngobunengi urhuluphelo ezingasetshenzisela ubulungiswa. Ihlelo le-AVL bekube nje litshengisa ukuthi uMugane akhange ajama ndawo ukusuka esiteshini samapholisa ePitori ukufika lapha untanzi abotshwe khona eMoroka Police Station lapha avuma khona insolo. Kanti lokhu kuphikisana nehlangothi likantanzi elithi batsho wakhambe ajanyiswa abethwa.
Nasibuya Ntolo.
Thina sibuya kwadlawula le kuvele thina sikhule siyafuya siyatshala chiefta sezala bese kuba nabantu abasigangela la
Bazilila hlangana ngaphasi kwenhlathi inyembezi abafuya bathi batsho betshelwe ifuyo yonke la namhlanje sola bawufumana umthala. Sabukele indaba ngesindebele. Gazi indaba ezinazikufundeleyo ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-Facebook. Asirage nazo. Mbukeli njengoba nasithwile bona sizokunandisa ekuqalela bona ngikuphi ongakulindela kwamanye wamaphepha wenhlahlobo zokuphela komnyaka zika-matric. Namhlanje ke siqalela iphepha lokuthoma le-geography elihlolwa kusasa.
Ama-topic lawa zabakhona kuzabe kunama-topic ayi-3 kuzobe kuyi-climatology, i-geomorphology and i-map work in which fanwazi ukuthi under climatology uzotholani ama-subtropical akhona uzothola i-latitude cyclone and tropical cyclone. Under geomorphology you must know the concept of drainage basin, you must know the types of the rivers and the river patterns, you must know how the drainage density and the river discharge, and then under futu ubuke the river profile, you must know the longitudinal and the what and the transverse. Was futhi the river rejuvenations, was futhi the river captures, and then was futhi the catchment and the river management. Under the map work, you must know how to calculate the gradient, you must know how to calculate the area, you must know how to calculate the distance, you must know how to calculate the magnetic declination of the bearing, you must know how to calculate the vertical exaggeration. Mufika ephepheni uya relaxa uphethe iruler, uphethe istring, uphethe ipensele, uphethe calculator so that uzokhona calculator.
Sikhuphukile isibalo sobulelesi bokusahlelwa kwabasebenzi bakamasipalada weJohannesburg endaweni ezifana neTshwane nekuruleni. Abosonjiniyera bakhonjwa ngeingidi bathathelwa ama-cellphone, ama-laptop namathulusi abawasebenzisa nabayokulungisa lapho kunomraro khona. Mvanje indawo ezinjenge-Alexandra, eLenasia, eRodeport neSoshanguve seziphenduke idzaba lalomhlobo wobulelesi.
Simply they are praying that they don't get killed by the residents that they are meant to serve because of these attacks.
Lesi sililo sabasebenzi bakwamasipalada balila bazibawela bona bangasahlelwa zizakhamuzi esisilingekileko nakufanele bayokwenza umsebenzi lapho babizwe khona. Umukghwa lo sowunabele nedrobheni leTshwane nekuruleni.
We have observed a spike in the attacks on our colleagues, especially in the Jugulane area in Soshanguve. Primarily the problem is just wanton criminality. Criminals or thugs see them as soft targets because they go there in marked vehicles.
Lokho kwenza bona izakhamuzi zingenzelwa umsebenzi njengombana abosotechniki bayasaba ukuya endaweni ezande ngobulelesi ngaphandle kokuphekelelwa bogadi.
Now that impacts on the turnaround times because it means that they have to wait for police to be available to escort them to go and attend to those service interruptions. And you find that communities now become frustrated. They vent their anger out at our colleagues. Sometimes they hold them hostage.
Kodwana iCity Power ithi angeke kulunge bona abasebenzi baphekelelwe bogadi namkha amapolisa. Kunesibawo ezakhamuzini bona zihlonipha abasebenzi aba.
And it is frustrating, it is traumatic for colleagues to go out and restore services in those communities only for them to fall prey to thugs and criminals.
Ubonakala izehlakalo eziningi zokusahlelwa kwabasebenzi zenzeke eminyakeni ezisithandathu ezidlulileko.
Buhlungu obuhlaba ehlizweni obuzwiwa abafuyi abetshelwa ifuyo yabo endaweni eziningi ezisemakhaya. Abafuyi abaningi balila ngabogalajana abeqayimi bayazabo babebele ifuyo yabo ebayisebenzele enzima. Kusasa ntambama ehlelweni lethu elinaba ngendaba elihatshwa ku-DTT isibuya nenyanda okhona ukulibukela nge-app ye-SABC Plus nekhasini lethu le-Facebook. Umbiki indaba wethu Comfort Masombuka ukhambe wavakatshela abafuyi abafike bamthela ngenyembezi ngokuthi betshelwa ifuyo yabo kanti komunye umuzi kuthiwa neqhegu lakhona libe labhubha ngehliziyo ebuhlungu.
Umndeni wakwaMgidi ulile ezimathosi ngefuyo yabo kwalahleka inkomo zomzilo. Ubaba wekhaya kwamphatha kabuhlungu lokho bewathathwa ihliziyo.
Bekungosonraha sakhabela futhi zafunwa besahlala kuhle. Ubaba lapha wazifuna wakufika kuBoverina wakufika ngale ngemhobeni ongezasi. Awabowalisa wahlala kuhle wathoma wagula wabhubha.
Thina sibuya kwadlawula le vele thina sikhule siyafuya siyatshala chiefta sezala. Yangibamba ekusukeni kwalapho sifikela sinento esiziphetheko zethu nasifika la bese kuba nabantu basigangela mina ngizokutshela umuntu osaziko mfo.
Ubaba uMajegana Mahlangu eMathezeni Slope uthi zakhe inkomo zilahleke pheze emvekeni embili ezidlulileko. Uthi kwani izulu wangena ngikhaya ngemva kwesikhatshana nakathi uyozihlola inkomo zakhe zine zonke wathola ngesikhundla. Idrada yekampi iqundiwe.
Ngizifune ngifumane ukuthi ngizifumane ngithi nomara lapha ekampeni apha ngiyohlola ukuthi no lapha ziphume khona lezi nkomo nangifika lapho ngifumana idrada iqundwe so straight.
Endaweni ezikumasipalata weDr JS Moroka nakhona kulilwa kangako.
Lashe ngomgcibelo sivulelwe ngime ekhaya pha ngoba abelusa abasiluselako beba ofile kwakusekupheleni kwenyanga. Njengenjwayelo ngizivulele ngeshela nazo emlanjeni. Zadla lapha emlanjeni. Zadla ngashala nazo. Ngenjwayelo ukuthi nakuthoma kubetha abo 11 fanele ngizitshiye sidla lapha ke ngize ekhaya ngizokudla then ngikwazi ukuyelela futhi.
Bakwambonana emzimuhle beyaziwa ngeHembox Parade bathi ifuyo ilisizo khulu emndeni nabo.
Usihlala sevalweni asilale ebusuku sihlala sithukiwe kwakho ngothi izinja sesiyaphuma sazi ukuthi sokubona ini nenkomo ezi ngoba kudle sidla kizo siyasenga abantwana badla khona lapho.
Ifuyo le ilahleka nje akakho wazika ukuthi ithathwa bobani siwaphi kodwa niyetshiwa yona.
Lumndeni akwambonana uthi ziyakhabhudla lezi ndaba ezizakalako zokwetshiwa kwefuyo mahlangothi wonke singini kangala. Ngombana lezi inkomo zilime ekulu indima nebonakalako khulukhulu ekwendleni imndeni nangebisi lazo njengoba nakusengwa kangaka kulomuzi. NginguComfort Masombuka wendaba ze-SABC ngibika ngikwaNdebele eMpumalanga.
Indaba le ngokuzeleko sowuzayifumana ehlelweni sibuya nenyanda kusasa ngo-6 ntambama ku-DTT. Kanti ke zemali iranda linzinzile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Kezemidlalo umbanduli wabafana uHugo Bruce ukhuthaze abadlali bakhe ukuthi barobhe khudlwana njengombana bayokuhlangana neBenin emidlalweni wokuhlungela ibhigiri yephasi oyokudlalelwa eMoses Mabhida Stadium ngomgqibelo. uBruce nabe yakhuluma emhlanganweni wababika indaba ePitori namhlanje uthi uyasithemba isiqhema sakhe kwanje.
We have to be confident. We have to be confident because of the performances we did even in the last 2 years. Only three defeats in 2 years and a half. It's also a very good performance. But also the performances against Morocco, in Liberia, last month against Ivory Coast must give us confidence, and even the let's tell bad result against Namibia and Eswatini. But I think it was a good thing that it happened then, because now I think the players knows that every game, even you play against Eswatini or against Ivory Coast, you need to focus.
Ngaphambi kokuthi isikhambe akhe sizwe bona abazumi baphetheni. Sibu kuzumekile.
Siyathokoza Thandeka silothisa nombukeli Mbala kuzumekile kungomvulo namhlanje. Indaba esiziphetheko ke thina la ehlelweni ngileze ezithi amapholisa lapha esifundeni seLimpopo ahlome ijima lokuphepha ngesikhathi sama-holiday kaChristmas. Kanti indaba zinjalo amapholisa esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal ahlome ijima lokuzumana nabasolwa ekuthiwa batsho badumuze babulala abantu abahlanu endaweni yeMthathana yaziwa ukuthi batsho kuse-Uganda eMlazi khona lapha esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal. Lokha sele songa sizokutshetsha lezi ezithi ihlangano yesankho lapha esifundeni seGauteng bekade inomhlangano ngempela veke le esibuya kiyo ukuzwa ukuthi ngiziphi indaba ebekade zidenjwa lapho sizokhulumisana nabo besankha. Ngizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko namhlanje sithokozile.
Sithokoze Sibu ubujamo bezulu buyalandela noSitshaba Mahlangu. Indaba ezi zikhona kusasa ngelimi leSiswati ngesikhathi esifanayo. Msale kuhle.
Umvulo omuhle sithokozile ebusuku namhlanje salibona ukuthi nokho ke mfetezana nje kuphela na uthi ukhona ngapha ngeMpumalanga yenarha kezinye indawo kuhle khuluma Mbala. Kanti ke kusasa siyabona ukuthi nokho ke lizokurakela phambili nokuba lihle khuluma Mbala. Sikathomi silahlindwe sithisa nokho ngapha ngeKapa ngombana ngatsha amadlelo lirakele phambili nokwathela njalo likhona izulu nokho ngapha bogqebeka ngapho 60% amathuba kwezulu ngapho sihlogomele khuluma Mbala. Kanti ke nokho ke asiqala amazinga okuthisa sibone ukuthi nokho kajama njani siyabona ukuthi nokho ngapha ngePitori likhamba liwathela neJohannesburg Springs ngapha ngeBrothweni obukhulu 23 novakatshela lezi sifunda kutsho khona ukuthi sihlogomele khuluma Mbala nasivakatshela lesi sifunda sakhona ngeGauteng eLimpopo phezulu lapha nyana liphalale kwehle uthi ngapha ngeBulukwane eBukupane Thaba Zimbi ngapho 30 phasi kwadlawulale kwehle uthi ngapha ngePhalabulwa lizakujama ku22 novakatshela lesi sifunda seliqale khona ngapha ngeMpumalanga ngelekho bona imbicane phezulu uBusibali kwehle uthi Mbombela ngapho kwehle uthi ngapha ngeGarlina kumakhaza 16 novakatshela ngapho liqale emalahleni ngapha ngesekunda eStandard 10 ngakwaNdebele yonke kusasa sihlogomele khuluma Mbala zabe kukuhle khuluma Mbala nebe ngikhatshela ngamenzi yaphuza umlaza kaMeve Mgungundlovu kwehle uthi ngapha ngeThekwini Richards Bay ngapha kuFriday ngakapha bomzimkhulu na uvakatshela ngapho nokho ke kupholaphole kamnandi khula seliqale ngapha ngeMpumalanga Kapa lapha eKharoka eGrafrinet wehle uqale khona ngapha ngeMthatha kumakhaza sithi ngapha ngeMonti likhamba lithi pharaphara ngamafu 22 na uvakatshela lesi sifuna ngeWestern Cape kuhleke eBuffalo West liyachisa na ukhona ngapha kuGeorge uqale lapha eMosel Bay ngapho lichisa khulu Mbala ngapha ngeKapa nanga khona liyachisa ngapha ngeWorcester liza kujama lapha ku36 na uvakatshela lesi sifunda ehlakuni ngabe Springbok ngapha ngeCalvin ngeCanavon lijama ku34 novakatshela lesi sifundo kusho ukuthi kuyachisa Free State ngapha ngeFelcom ngapha ngeBloemfontein Fixback ngapho likhamba liwathela nokho kuyachisa novakatshela lesi sifundo sokugcina silicala lapha ngehlakuni njengalanga siyabona ukuthi ngapha ngeMahikeng eFreiburg eOttosdal nakezinye indawo zinokho ke zabe likhamba lithi ukuwathela novakatshela ngapho umndungwa ubungela kokhosi uthi iye zesiNdebele.